Okay, so yun, it's another episode of Good to Know Friday. So actually today we're gonna address one of the comments that we had in TikTok. Nagtanong si customer, ano daw yung brand na binibenta ko, na ginagamit ko rin. Well, ang sagot dyan, Brody, is actually, depende kung kailan mo ako tinanong. So ngayon, dahil ngayon mo sinasagot, nag-shift kasi yung mga favorite brands natin. But right now, I'm really into Golden Goose Deluxe brand, which is GGDB. And influensya na nga rin si Carlo.
Influensya na ako guys, ayun.
Today, I'm wearing a sneakers na hindi man siya GGDB pero GGDB inspired siya. It's Amiri and GGDB Overload, maraming star. The thing that I love about the brand right now is because aside from the fact na very stylish siya, dami rin may gusto ng GGDB ngayon, di ba? Aside from nakikita natin siya sa mga icons like si Paring G, and isa sa mga pasimuno ng pasimuno ng kaadikan natin sa Golden Goose, but also GGDB, the brand stands for, you know, having your own identity. Alam mo ba na each GGDB sneaker is actually unique? Even if same colorway yan, guys, unique yan. Kasi yung mga dirt niyan, na famous saan yung mga distressed look niyan, it's manually made by the designer. So
Yung mga
it's
punit,
yung mga punit, yung mga tama, yung mga dumi, specific yan for that shoe. Hindi yan same for the other shoes. So if you have your own GGDB shoe, you can make sure that that GGDB is one of a kind because it's just yours. Bukod doon, I also love GGDB kasi ginagamit nila Italian leather, guys.
Makes it feel premium.
Makes it feel more premium than the normal shoe.
Kaya nga, deluxe brand, di ba bro?
Oh, yun guys, that's the brand that I'm really into. You watch out for some of the Golden Goose that we're gonna rock sa other videos namin. Pero sa ngayon, yan muna. Paalam!